I'm Emily, and I'm going to show you how to use the aircraft Caddy, and what not to do, what to do, and how to park your airplane safely. First, you want to make sure that you unplug it from the charging point. So the plug is right down here. You want to unplug it and move it off to the side. And then it'll be off, so you make sure to turn it on, and then you have to wait to 5 seconds or so, and then you can start. And you rotate the handles in the direction of travel, and if you want to stop, you can let go, or reverse in the opposite direction to make it stop quicker. Because of where it's parked, you want to make sure that you navigate around the airplanes safely and slowly. Wherever your plane is parked. One of the first things you look at is how is the propeller. You want to make sure that it is parallel to the ground. So you just slide it down so that it's parallel and then you don't hit it when you're parking the plane. You also look for wheel chocks, and you want to make sure that those are removed as well. And then you can now come up to the airplane with the tug. And you also want to come up slow and stop about right in front of the airplane's wheel. Also know that this doesn't stop without either letting go or turning it the opposite direction. I recommend turning it the opposite direction. And then you want to take this nose strap, and there's a lever here. Most likely it'll be locked, right, and you can't pull it, so you want to undo that lever and then pull, but make sure you don't get your arm in there. Come down, undo it, and then you're going to wrap it around the nose fork of the airplane. Do not wrap it around the strut. Then you just clip it in there, and then it's all set with that. While you're down here, also make sure that this is undone. So it can be in the lock position, or it can be free moving, and you want it to be free so that the nose wheel can have that ability to move around while you're towing it. Then you want to put that lever back, and so that you have the tension, pull it into the bucket. Make sure that you're watching both the nose wheel and the strap so that it doesn't get caught in the teeth. So then make sure that it isn't going to fall, and then you're set to pull it away. So as you're approaching your parking spot, you want to make sure that you're not hitting any other planes or wingtips. And then you're going to start approaching the yellow line there, and you're going to make a wide turn to kind of get aligned. So we're going to begin that turn to begin the alignment with your yellow line. So here I'm looking for a few things. I want to make sure that the rotating beacon is lined up with the light bulb at the top of the hanger you can see there. And so that's your alignment. Make sure that you stay on that, as well as the yellow line when you get closer. And you want to make sure that you're not hitting the horizontal stabilizer or the wings. Now you've parked your plane, and now you want to undo it. So just be aware of the parking spots, the concrete curbs. You don't want to go into them, so make sure you stop before them. If it rolls into that, it's fine, and when you're undoing it, but don't push it into that. It will stay where the little holes and things that have, because the airplane's weight, it will stay there. So don't force it into its parking spot. Now you're going to want to undo it. Don't tie it down. Do not tie it down first. Really make sure that you do this step first. So sometimes you need to release the pressure on that, and then just undo that here, and you can take these off. Carefully set this on the Caddy, as well as this. Make sure you put it back how you found it, which should be nice. So don't leave it. Yeah. So now it's all set, and you can just back it up here. Back it up straight and slow. The plane will come down and rest where it's going to rest. And then just pull the Caddy away, and you can hook up your plane. So now you've tied down everything, plugged it in. We just want to put the propeller perpendicular to the ground. So just go in the rotation that the propeller turns, and put up and down. It means it's fueled, it's parked, and it's ready for the next person to use it. And again, confirm, tie down, tie down, tie down, and it's plugged in. And you'd put the cover on, but we have another person flying. Park the tug where you found it, and plug it in, and turn it off. So we're just gonna come up here and find all the airplane needs, and come in. We just want to leave it nice and out of the way for the other planes that will be here, and for the next person that will use it. So you just gotta make sure that you turn it off. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you flip that to the off side. And now confirmed it's off. And then just take the plug, come around here, and plug it in. So now it's charging, and it is all set for the next person, and it won't go out. There. Thank you so much for watching, and just let us know if you have any questions. Come to any of the Ponderosa staff if you need help using it or anything like that. And always remember, go slow, and if you need to retry it, go for it. We always want you to do that instead of hitting the airplane. So thank you so much, and hope you all have a good day.